Taking care of windows is far more than simply washing the glass. If you want to avoid window replacement in Cincinnati, the following steps can greatly reduce the risk of needing a house window repair. Take care of the window track, vacuum it, and keep dirt and other debris out. Look at and maintain your window frame and rollers. Wipe down the frame with water and a mild detergent, and lubricate it as needed with a silicone spray. This will prevent buildup and allow for a smooth, functioning window. Monitor the rollers and replace or adjust them as needed. These should also be periodically lubricated. Make sure you're checking and maintaining windows' drainage holes. If clogged, water cannot drain away from your window bays, causing damage and ultimately leading to possible Cincinnati window replacement. Screens should be vacuumed and/or cleaned with water and mild detergent at least annually. This is a window's first line of defense against dirt and water. Having healthy screens helps keep all other window components running smoothly and more free from dirt. If you have recently had a window installation and it wasn't completed by a professional, have a professional check to ensure proper installment. What are the signs of needing window replacement? Needed Cincinnati window replacement could present itself in a variety of ways. If you're feeling adrift, your heating or cooling costs are increasing for an unknown reason, or your windows are becoming difficult to open or close, it may be time for a house window repair Cincinnati. Call us at C.H.I. Roofing for assistance.